In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an anchor link in Wix. An anchor link is a link that takes your visitor to a specific part of a page instead of just the top of the page. It's perfect for things like back to top buttons, table of contents sections, or long pages where you want people to jump straight to the information they need. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step inside the Wix editor. First, open your site in the Wix editor and go to the page where you want to add the anchor link. On that page, select the text that you want to turn into a link. This could be a word or a phrase, like learn more or jump to pricing. Make sure you drag across the text so it's fully highlighted, because only the highlighted part will become clickable. Once your text is selected, look for the small link icon, often shown as a little chain symbol, in the text editing toolbar. Click on this chain icon. This opens the link settings panel where you can decide what kind of link you want to create. In the link options, choose the option for section or anchor, depending on how it's labeled in your version of the editor. This tells Wix that you're not linking to an external website or a file, but to a specific spot on one of your pages. Next, you'll see a setting labeled Which Page. Click on this to pick the page that contains the section you want to jump to. You can link to the same page you're on or a completely different page on your site. Take a moment to choose the most relevant page so your visitors land exactly where you intend. After you've selected the page, click on the option that says Where on the page. This will show you a list of sections or anchors that already exist on that page. These might be named things like header, about, or contact. Choose the section you want your visitors to be taken to when they click the text link. When you're happy with your selections, click on Done to save the link settings. Your text is now an anchor link. You can use the preview mode to test it. Click the text and make sure it smoothly scrolls to the correct section. If it doesn't, just go back into the link settings and adjust the page or section until it's perfect.